What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Execute Create, and this video is going to be about how to set up your Linktree for your Instagram, which is probably one of the best tools I just found out recently in the past couple days. And let's get started. So we are going to click the wrong one there. First, you're just going to open up your web browser, whatever you have, Chrome or Explorer, and we're going to go to Google. And then we're going to type in Linktree. It's going to be the first one here. You click on that one, and then it's going to give you the option to sign up with your Instagram. So if you're already signed in, like how I am on my Instagram here, you just click sign in with Instagram, and it's very straightforward, guys. So you see how I have mine already set up. So basically yours is going to start off, but it's going to be just completely blank. So it'll be like this. And then you just title it whatever it's going to be. If it's going to be, your YouTube channel, a product that you're promoting with affiliate, it could be anything, guys. And you can add as many links as you want. As you can see here that I have a couple. I have my YouTube channel, the course that I have with Tanner J. Fox, the Amazon FBA. I have the mic that I use for my camera, the lens that I use for my camera. And I also have my email set up. If anybody's interested in getting a professional website, definitely leave a comment section below or send me a personal message on my Instagram. The link's going to be in the description below. And yeah, you just basically, it's very straightforward, very simple. You put the title, whatever it is, like I said, it's going to be. You put the link here, and then you just hit the add button. So for an example, it could be books from Gary V. I guess they don't know how to spell Gary. And then you can literally go to, if you have an Amazon account, which I have here, you could just go to, the one I'm reading is jab, 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 right hook. So you get the link right here, guys. And for some reason it doesn't accept the shortened URL, so just go back to just copy the main one here, copy it, go back to your Linktree, and you just paste it, and you are good to go. And it adds it right here, as you can see, and it gives you a little overview of how it's gonna look. And basically that's it. And then you go to settings, and you could change whatever color you guys want, the green one, the all green one, the green and white one. This one, I like the blue one. For some reason, blue's my favorite color, and I like the way this blue looks. And you could basically, like I said, choose whatever you want here, whatever fits your preference. And then you go back and you just copy the little bio link right here, and you go back to your Instagram. You go to edit profile, you go to your website, and you just paste it there. And you go to, for some reason on the actual computer, the desktop, it takes you to the very first link. But on what most people on Instagram, of course, is on their phone. And when you go to your phone and you go to your little bio, it takes you to the exact little screen right here. It shows you exactly how it is right here. So basically that's it. This is a free tool, so you don't have to pay anything. There's a pro version that gives you more option. But if you just want to keep it simple, keep it basic, you could do this as well. And this is perfect, guys. This is the perfect little setup for whatever you're trying to promote. As you can see here, I have my YouTube channel, and basically everything that I have, everything that I'm promoting. And that's going to be it, guys. I don't want to ramble on in this video, but if you guys enjoy and like what I had to say, this video helped you guys in any way, shape, or form, definitely hit the like button, the subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. But until my next video, guys, thank you.